Hello and welcome. My name is David Oisamoje. Yes, you're welcome to What a T-shirt Design. If you're just joining me for the first time, I just want to say thank you for clicking through to watch this video. Yes, if you're watching this video, that means you want to make passive income from print on demand. Yes, you want to make money from Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring, Match by Amazon. Yes, all the sites I've mentioned above are sites where you can make passive income selling your designs on shirt, on mug. It's called print on demand, just in case you don't know. So if you're just joining for the first time, I really appreciate you guys. I really want to say thank you for you guys for just joining me. Please make sure you subscribe if you've not subscribed already. Make sure you hit the subscribe button now if you've not subscribed already. And make sure you watch this video to the end if you want to learn for yourself. If you want to learn how to create this simple design. Yes, my designs are never complicated. They can be done by anyone who watch 1, 2, 3, 4 of my videos. They can be done by anyone. So if you're just here for this simple design, yes, I want to say keep on watching, keep on coming back to watch daily new, or it might not be daily, it's Monday, Wednesday and Friday designs by me. If you're that person that want to always come back to learn new designs, new simple designs, then this channel is all you need. So without wasting much of time, I'm going to go straight right into Canva because I use Canva for my design majority of the time. So I'm going to open canva.com for this one. And we're going to use Canva to create this simple design. So let's hit on create a design, custom dimension. The standard is 4,500 by 5,400. 5,400. So we're just going to save it. Just going to save it as that. So it's going to open. So now we have our space, our design space open and ready for us. So as you know, if you've been watching my videos, but if you've just joined me for the first time, I love to use my element on Canva. So for this one, I'm just going to use the Tokai. I'm just going to search. Yes, I'm playful. If you don't know that now. I love to play when I design. So yes, we're just going to, you see, these are different designs we can choose for. So we're just going to scroll to find one very unique one we can use for our design. You just find a fun one we can use for our design. And we're just going to use that to create our design for ourselves. Just use that to create the design for ourselves. So let's scroll through and find one. As you can see, the ones with the crowns are pro version designs and elements. So if you want that, I'm going to show you how to get pro version for 1 month free on me. Yes, you heard me right. Pro element free on me for 1 month. That's Canva Pro for 1 month. So make sure you stick around. Make sure you stick around if you want to get that for yourself. It's super easy. Super easy. So for this one, I'm not going to go too complicated. I'm not going to take it so hard on myself. I'm not trying to be too hard on myself with this design. These designs are simple designs that should not take you a lot of time to come up with. So for this, I'm just going to pick. I'm trying to pick between this or this or this. So let's just use this. Let's see how that looks. Okay, not bad. So I'm just going to increase this. So to do that, move my mouse to this edge, move my mouse cursor to this edge, press on my left mouse click button and just drag outward our beat. So now we have it like so. So now I'm going to go to text. I'm going to go to text and look for a fancy full font I can use. I'll first start with this, as you can see. So I'm going to do little. So I've changed that. Control A to highlight that. I'll go to extras and I'll just find a cool font. Let's see how this looks. Okay, let me find another font we can use for this one. Okay, let's see how this one is going to look. Okay, I like this font. So I'm just going to increase it a bit. So I'll show you how to increase font. Move your cursor to this edge, press on your left mouse click button and just drag that. So now we have that. It says little. Okay, it says little. So now I'm going to change the color. I'm going to make this color match. Okay, let me do this and this. Okay, so I'll just make the color match the font to an extent. I don't want it to be totally black, so I'll just try to match it to an extent. Okay, this is not bad. This is not bad at all. So now we place it there. So now I'm just going to duplicate this little by pressing my Alt key button, my left mouse key button, and dragging this down a bit. So I'll duplicate that, and this is just going to say Turkey. Okay, just going to say Turkey. So I'm going to highlight that again, Ctrl A, and I'll just change the font of that one also, just to a different one. Okay, I want it a little bit playful. This font does not look so playful. I want a playful font, not too elaborate, just something crazy, a bit, something fun. Let's see if we can find something like that. Let's just keep scrolling if we can find something like that. Should be able to get something fun to use. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, so we can use this. So just increase it a bit, move your cursor to that edge, and press your left mouse click button and just drag that out a bit. So now we have that says little Turkey. So now that we have that saying little Turkey, we can just go over. As you can see, it has just taken us about 7 minutes to get this done. If you want to get Canva Pro for yourself so that you can get more elements for yourself to use in your design, make sure you check the first link in the description to get that for yourself. It's 30 days. Yes, for watching to this stage, you deserve that gift. So make sure you get that if you've not gotten that for yourself. It's free. Yes, they're not going to take your cash. You heard me right. All you have to do is to click on that link. It's going to open on a new tab. You just sign up and do whatever it asks you to do. But one thing you should be rest assured, it's not going to take your money for the first 30 days. It's free on me to get that. So to get rid of your white background, you also need Canva Pro. So make sure you check the first link in the description. As you can see, this element was gotten from elements by going to element and picking from one of these elements. As you can see, there are more elements you can choose from based on your designs. That's how cool Canva is. It's not complicated. So now if we decide to download it now, you can only put it on a white background, which you don't want. So if you're serious about print on demand, you want to be able to put it on different background, and that's why you need Canva Pro, so that you can get rid of this white background and place it on different color. If you're watching this video, obviously you would have seen that I was able to place it on a different color of background. That's because I have Canva Pro. I'm not just signed into Canva Pro right about now. I have Canva Pro and I can get rid of this white background by going to download, clicking on transparent background. As you can see, it has the gold crown. That's to show that I'm using my free version of Canva. If you're serious about print on demand, you want to create quality design, you need the pro version. So check the first link in the description once again to get that for yourself. So now I'm just going to hit download. Prepares my download. Is going to download for me. As soon as the download is prepared, okay, as you can see, the download is prepared. So let's show the folder. As you can see, this is the folder. So if you click on it, as you can see, this is the Turkey. Well done, downloaded, ready for us to use, and all we have to do now is to place it on our design. As you can see, this came with the white background. It's not going to come with the white background. So to your right, you see a playlist. Make sure you watch those playlists to watch more, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe. I love you all.